I created a YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT, and I wrote a very nice prompt which I shared with people, and they tried on their own, and their results are very amazing. When I posted this video, one of my followers asked me to do the same prompt on Microsoft Designer. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to create this YouTube thumbnail using the same prompt but a different AI model. Now, I want to make sure that it is the same prompt that I used. So if I come here, I can check the prompt that I wrote. Then I can copy the prompt and happily paste it in Microsoft Design. Okay, so here was very prompt. So all I need to do is to copy this. So I think I can copy just like that. Then I'll come to Microsoft Designer. And here, what do you want to design? You can always ask it to design something for you. But I want you to scroll down under create one, click on images, because we are interested in an image. But if you need icons, wallpapers, invitations, banners, posters, etc., you can happily create from here. For me, I'll click on images. If you haven't followed me yet or subscribed to this channel, please feel very free to do so for more videos. And here we are, create an image. And here you can describe the image that you want to create. Now, all I need is to click here to describe what I want to create. So I'll click here and then I'll paste my prompt here. So I'll right click and then paste. Here is my prompt. Unfortunately, I cannot see where I can upload a reference image or sketch for it to be able to create that very sketch or convert that very sketch to a YouTube thumbnail. So I think that is the main disadvantage that I have so far. Another disadvantage is it cannot be able to paste the full prompt. I can see it has cut the prompt, and I don't know why. Maybe it has a limit in terms of how long the prompt should be. That is another disadvantage. So I am forced to shorten this very prompt, and I did not plan to do that. Anyways, let me just click on create, but before that, I can decide the size of the very thumbnail. So I'll click in here, and I can choose the size from here. And again, the size are limited because we need a thumbnail that is 1920 by 1080. So you find we don't have it here, but then we can go with this wide. Okay, so we just click on wide, and then we can now be able to click on create. Then let's see how it's going to create. Sign in to create images with AI. It's free. So, okay, let's sign in or sign up. Okay, we've now been able to sign in. And we are back. All we need to do is to click on create. So I'll click there and then wait for the magic. So here it's doing the creation, and I think it will give us 4 because I can see 4 creations over here. So let's give it time for it to be able to generate the thumbnail. Okay, it has generated 4 thumbnails. What is consistent is the YouTube logo. Okay, and there's nothing else we can do. We cannot upscale the image, and it has tried to, just come up with image of someone. I wished that this image could be a real image like the one we created in ChatGPT, but I think the problem is we cannot be able to upload a reference image. If you know how to do that, please drop me a comment. I would really wish to know how we can be able to, upload or attach a reference image so that this can be almost exactly what we wish to have, because I don't think if this is what I was looking for, although the quality is good and we can go with it. Again, in the prompt, I had asked it to write some text within a text bubble I don't know if that was captured. Okay, so near the text bubble, add a small icon representing AI, such as a neural network diagram or glowing circuit. This can be a simple vector graphic or a stock image. Add a soft shadow under the character to ground him in the scene. Enhance reflections on the phone screen. Okay, it has not considered this very prompt because we said iPhone 15 Pro Max, and from the results, I do not see any iPhone 15 Pro Max. And again, we talked of the text bubble. Okay, here it is. And from the images it has provided for us, there is no any text bubble. So it hasn't followed the very description or the very prompt. And I guess it has just, created its own things, if I may say. So in my opinion, I don't think if Microsoft Designer would give me the best results that I wish. Someone else asked me to do the same prompt using Copilot. I'll be creating a separate video for that. And if you wish me to try the same prompt on a different AI model, please comment the name of the AI model down in the comments below, and I'll be able to try it on that very model. But for the one who recommended Microsoft Designer, I'm sorry, I cannot use Microsoft Designer in this case. Maybe for something else. I hope that this video helped you, and if that is the case, please make sure to like this video so that it can be pushed to more people. If you are interested in my general content, feel very free to follow me or to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Okay?